Hey crew, today's video will be a chili cornbread casserole, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have milk, egg, cheese, butter. We have our cheddar jalapeno cornbread mix, and we have our chili right here. I hope y'all stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Let's get into our chili cornbread casserole. Alright crew, so this is going to be a repurposed video. You know, in American homes, we tend to have leftovers, and sometimes we just don't know what to do with our leftovers. So I'm going to show y'all a quick and easy and simple recipe how to repurpose your chili or throw a remix on your chili. So we're going to make a chili cornbread casserole. And just follow the directions on the box. And if you're looking for a chili recipe, I will have that linked in the description box below, or you can use your chili recipe. So let's get into our chili cornbread casserole. Yeah. Okay crew, so I used the cheddar jalapeno cornbread mixture by Zatarain's, and it required 1 egg, 3/4 cup of milk, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 cup of cheese. And y'all will see that as the video go, that's exactly what I put in this cornbread mixture. But if you want to use Jiffy or Malta White buttermilk cornbread mixture, or whatever cornbread mixture you want to use, or you can make your own cornbread to make this chili cornbread casserole, you can do that. So like I said, just follow the box directions on whatever package you have, or follow your directions for your homemade cornbread and use your chili that's already prepped, and you good to go. It's a quick, simple, and easy meal that's filling. The kids would love it if they love chili and if they love cornbread, and you can't go wrong with it, because a lot of times when you have chili, you either have cornbread, crackers, or a potato on the side. So hey, it's a match made in heaven. Alright crew, so I just used a little baker's joy for my dish because I didn't want it to stick or burn while it's in the oven. And I baked this at 375 degrees for 45 minutes in the oven. And as you see here, I put the first layer of chili down and I smoothed it out evenly before I added the top layer, which would be the second layer of our cornbread. So like I said, I hope y'all are enjoying this vlog. Please do me a favor, please thumbs up the video and comment on the video. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Like I said, you make it your own. I just laid out the foundation of the blueprint for y'all to make y'all chili cornbread casserole. So hey, like I said, make it your own and enjoy it.
I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye.
Okay, so I'm about to put the cornbread on top of our chili, but I must say crew that this casserole was really good. Like, you can taste the jalapenos, you can taste the cheese, and it had a hint of sweetness to it. But with the saltiness of the chili, I'm not saying that it was salty, but you know what I mean. Like, the flavor combination was on point. And if y'all looking for this cornbread mixture, you can check either Walmart or if you have a Winn-Dixie in your area or Winco, whatever, because we found this one at our local Frugals. So that would be like Food Giant, Harvey's, you know, those stores. So you can go check that to see if they have it. The cornbread was really good. That's all I can say. I would love to try it with some collard greens or make dressing out of it. You know, I'm just greedy like that. You know, you got to think about those things. Alright, so I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up of our cornbread casserole before I put it in the oven. And like I said, if y'all would like to give us a try, please check your local grocery stores. And if they have it in stock, grab all of it. You don't want to leave not one box behind. I promise y'all, this cornbread is that cornbread. It's the one. So here go that famous close-up once it came out the oven. Like I said, grab all the cornbread. Don't leave none for nobody. We ain't sharing. We being greedy for the rest of this year.
Help me see it. Oh, help me free this feeling.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let Quinn, son, try this, and he gonna tell y'all what he think about it. And this is our cornbread casserole with chili. Just say what you think. Be honest.
I'm gonna take another bite. That's good. Bro.
Okay, go ahead. Take another bite.
Yes. Some good stuff right here. That's delicious. that's delicious right there.
Alright. If you want it, you can get it. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. He stole the whole plate, y'all.